Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. So like I said, I'm fighting a cold right now, so sorry if I sound kind of bad. So today is just going to show you guys what I eat today and everything like that. We have a pretty lazy day, just relaxing around the house. We are going to be going out to eat with my father-in-law. I'm not really sure what we're having, where we're going, so that should be fun. So we're going to do that, and then whatever else today. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started with breakfast. So here is the first part of breakfast. Just getting ready to try some vegan eggs. The link for that video is right here. So he tries some vegan eggs with some vegan mozzarella. My husband has some too. So here's the rest of breakfast. I'm having 2 English muffins with some Earth Balance butter. It's pretty late right now. It's almost 11 o'clock right now, so just not eating that much for breakfast to hold us over until lunch. So here's breakfast. I'll see you guys later. So hi guys. So we are heading to go get something to eat with a friend and father-in-law. So just enjoying the beautiful fall leaves right now. The mountains are covered with leaves. The mountains are covered with beautiful fall leaves. So I'm going to show you guys our view. So we're here at Haas's Steakhouse. They have a really good salad bar and a whole bunch of different vegan options. So first off, I got started with a salad, a whole bunch of different veggies, and a roll. And then I ordered some broccoli. You have to order stuff separately. Some broccoli, and of course a big potato. So then after hanging out with friends and family, we headed home. It's about 9 o'clock tonight, and I'm really hungry, so we stopped by Sheetz. So here is supper for tonight. I got a bean burrito with a whole bunch of different veggies. Lettuce, tomato, onion, beans, rice, guacamole, pico de gallo, a whole bunch of wonderful stuff like that. We're up to kind of weird though, I think. And then I got some like rice cracker chips or something. I'm not going to be eating all these, but thought I'd try them out. So be eating these with my burrito. So there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to close it out right now because it's getting late. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I had a good day today. So I'm going to be working on my burrito. And calling it a night. So you guys know what to do. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.